Ready to go, guys?
No, they were in between Atlanta and Linton.
Yeah.
They're looking 81 Quebec, thanks.
You gotta talk loud.
All right.
There you
Palm Beach
go.
altimeter is 3002.
Whoa.
And the wind is estimated 1008.
This here is Delray Beach, Atlantic Avenue right there, the Marriott, Sandbar, Boston's on the beach, Luna Russa, BurgerFi, that whole area. This house right over here, not this one, then there's an empty lot, the one right here. It's Kevin James' new house, right there on the left. King of Queens, you familiar?
Oh, yeah, okay.
$18.5 million, got that about 6 months ago. You guys are nice, we're gonna give you a boat ride too.
I was gonna say you could jump out into the water from here. Whoa.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
That's my house right there on the left.
Yeah. Look at
Oh, there's the Cadillac guy.
This is the Boynton Beach Inlet right here. Ocean Ridge on this side. As we get on this side, this is Manalapan. So this here you got, this guy's got his golf course.
Oh my God.
His house, right behind his house, there's a guest house, another guest house, and another guest house. $85 million property right here. Look at this house, 2 swimming pools, 1 in the front, 1 in the back.
Wow. Oh, look at this. Like an infinity.
Palm Beach Ritz-Carlton are now called the O.
Oh.
Lake Worth on the right, Lantana, Hypoluxo, Island of Manalapan on the left. Lake Boca on the left.
Yeah.
Boca Resort, Wall of Astoria right here.
Wow.
Deerfield Beach. Check out those rooftop swimming pools on the left.
Oh, wow.
Good Mizner.
You guys like the ride?
That was awesome.
It was very good.
You guys enjoyed it? Awesome.
Yes.